Dremel's 200 Series 2-speed rotary toolkit delivers the precision and control needed to tackle a wide range of projects. The 1.15 amp motor features 2 speeds so you can easily adjust to optimal performance and control. Use the low setting with brush accessories and for cleaning applications. Then just flip the switch to high for routing, cutting, and sanding jobs. This 17-piece set includes a lawnmower and garden tool sharpener attachment and a variety of additional accessories for cutting, carving, grinding, polishing, and more across a wide range of materials. You'll experience less fatigue on longer projects thanks to the lightweight design with multiple grip positions and double hull construction that eliminates direct heat transfer. Plus, its cool-running ball-bearing construction offers smooth, quiet operation. For the power and versatility to comfortably handle countless tasks, choose the Dremel 200 Series 17-piece rotary toolkit.